As the world's second-largest economy, China has been committed to promoting the development of infrastructure technology and related industries. As one of China's traditional pillar industries, the shipbuilding industry has been developing vigorously since the 1970s. China has accumulated rich capital and technology in this field, demonstrating China's manufacturing strength and technological advantages to the world. In 2019, China and Saudi Arabia reached an important cooperation agreement to invest $3 billion to build the world's largest super shipyard, Project King Saudi Arabia Port. According to the project plan, the construction period of this project is 3 years. So, what is the current progress of the construction of King Saud Port? How will the cooperation of this project affect China and Saudi Arabia? Thank you for watching the video. Let's discover more exciting projects in the world together. Saudi Arabia is one of the wealthiest countries in the world, with its economy largely based on the oil industry. Oil exports are the backbone of the Saudi economy and provide the country with huge financial revenue. However, in order to reduce dependence on oil and diversify the economy, Saudi Arabia is promoting the Saudi Vision 2030 plan to vigorously promote the development of non-oil industries, attract foreign investment, and cultivate local enterprises and innovation. Due to Saudi Arabia's strategic location on important maritime trade routes in the Middle East, the shipping and logistics industry is crucial to its economic diversification and sustainable development. As an important partner of Saudi Arabia, China's investment will help promote the transformation of Saudi Arabia's real economy and accelerate its becoming a shipping center in the Middle East. Therefore, Saudi Arabia decided to build this super shipyard, King Saudi Port. As an important part of Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030 national reform plan, King Salman of Saudi Arabia personally laid the foundation stone and named this super project. According to the project plan, the total area of the King Saudi Port new shipyard is about 12 million square meters and can accommodate more than 10,000 employees. The new shipyard facilities will include 7 well-equipped dry docks, 2 shipbuilding docks, 5 piers, 1 ship lift system, 1 workshop, 1 warehouse, 1 public service area, and other facilities. But for the Saudi state, such a huge project cannot be completed on its own. Therefore, Saudi Arabia can only launch infrastructure bidding to many large companies around the world. Among them, Saudi Aramco, the world's largest oil company, joined hands with Hyundai Heavy Industries, the world's largest shipping company, Bori, the world's largest VLCC operator, and Lamprel, the largest drilling platform builder in the Gulf region, all participated in the construction of this super project. In addition, the China Power Construction Group from China contracted the main project of this project. Projects include the repair of shipyards and maintenance plants, as well as the construction of offshore oil platforms and other projects. The bidding section won by Power China Group is the main project, including ship repair, a shipyard, and offshore oil platform. In order to build this super shipyard, Chinese engineers adopted the construction plan of steel pipe piles. As the pile foundation of offshore engineering, steel pipe piles are the most critical part of the entire offshore engineering structure. The installation quality of steel pipe piles is directly related to the construction of important structural foundations such as docks, ship lift platforms, and gantry crane track extensions. As one of the difficulties in marine engineering construction, steel pipe pile driving is easily affected by climate and geological conditions. In order to ensure the first-time success of permanent steel pipe pile driving, and to ensure the construction quality and safety, Chinese engineers studied the accumulated data of piling, and finally determined various parameters such as the standard of permanent steel pipe pile driving hammer stop, the maximum hammering force, etc., and then carried out the piling operation. Standard finishes lay a solid foundation. The average length of each steel pipe pile is 41 m, the diameter is about 1.2 m, and the weight is about 24 tons. During the construction of the entire offshore project, the the Chinese construction team completed the piling operation of 1,530 permanent steel pipe piles. After the completion of future projects, China will provide engineering, manufacturing and maintenance services for offshore drilling platforms, merchant ships and offshore service vessels. However, why did Saudi Arabia choose China to participate in this project? Saudi Arabia is the world's largest oil exporter, while China is one of the world's largest oil importers and one of Saudi Arabia's largest energy partners. According to public data, in 2022 alone, China will import about 189 million tons of oil from Saudi Arabia, or about 3.77 million barrels. It accounts for about 16% of China's total oil import.